Warehouse automation is moving fast right now, and this latest development shows just how quickly things are scaling in the real world. A company called Corvus Robotics has teamed up with Southern Glazer's Wine and Spirits, and together, they're rolling out autonomous inventory drones across one of the largest beverage distribution networks in the United States. So what's actually going on behind the scenes? So, let's find out. Now here's what makes this interesting. Over the past 18 months, Southern Glazers hasn't been making noise about it, but behind the scenes, they've already deployed more than 40 Corvus One drones across 9 distribution centers. And this isn't some early stage pilot anymore. The results are starting to show real impact at scale. So what exactly are these drones doing? These aren't typical inspection drones. The Corvus One system operates continuously inside active warehouses. While employees are working, forklifts are moving, and orders are being processed. The drones are flying through aisles, scanning inventory, and validating stock levels in real time. And the key part, there's no disruption, no shutdowns, no pauses, no manual counting slowdowns. Everything runs in the background while operations continue normally. And when you look at the numbers, it gets even more impressive. So far, these drones have completed around 5,000 autonomous flights and flagged more than 35,000 inventory discrepancies. In a warehouse setting where a single misplaced pallet can cause delays or financial loss, that level of visibility is a major advantage. But it's not just about catching errors, it's also about speed. Southern Glazers says improved inventory accuracy has already led to a 100 basis point increase in cases processed per hour. That basically means faster order fulfillment, which is huge in logistics. Another major shift is inventory frequency. Instead of relying on quarterly counts, warehouses are now validating inventory every 2 weeks. That helps teams catch issues early before they turn into delayed shipments or larger operational problems. It's also changing how labor is used. Each site is saving around 60 to 70 hours per week that used to go into manual cycle counting. Instead of walking aisles with scanners, employees now focus on resolving actual issues using detailed drone data like images, barcode scans, and even historical video tied to pallet locations. And when you zoom out, the scale makes this even more significant. Southern Glazers operates across 47 US markets and Canada, so even small efficiency gains can ripple across an entire supply chain. Executives say this is shifting teams from reactive problem solving to a more proactive model, fixing issues before they affect orders. On the technology side, Corvus Robotics CEO Jackie Wu believes this is setting a new industry standard. The big shift here is that these drones aren't being treated as a test anymore. They're becoming core warehouse infrastructure. And that's really the key point. It shows large-scale distributors can modernize operations without disrupting daily workflows. The partnership is now expanding further, with facilities sharing best practices and working towards standardized deployment models. Looking ahead, the implications go beyond just beverage distribution. Industries like food, retail, and logistics, all dealing with fast-moving inventory, could soon see this level of real-time visibility become the new normal. So when you step back, this isn't just about drones in a warehouse. It's a shift in how inventory is managed, always-on tracking, real-time validation, and smarter use of labor. And if these early results are anything to go by, warehouse drones might soon be just as essential as forklifts. So yeah, that's where things are heading. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you want more updates like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.